Hello and happy summer. I do not want to do my makeup, but I look like shit. We're gonna go do a dry makeup.
It's always there.
Number 28. Say no to yourself.
A lot of people are afraid of the word discipline. But at the root Marxist economic superstition that to make money, you have to take it away from somebody else. And think of yourself as a bumbling but friendly.
Today, actually, me and Chacha have a Sister Wednesday, so we are gonna go to the river. I decided to switch because I was feeling dysphoric, and this is what I'm gonna go with now. I'm gonna prepare this bag. We're gonna find sunblock. So we got a few snacks, and now I am going to go get like a blanket for the beach. We're gonna go with this one. So let's go get our sister, and I'm right here. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we went in there. We got a little bit of a blanket. Well, we got two blankets. One for me and myself and my big fat butt, and then the other one is for Cha-Cha and her friends. So we're gonna go to school. We're gonna pick up our sister, and then we're gonna go there. My sister has her friends and stuff like that. And you're probably wondering, like, Rain, why don't you get friends your age? Because friends my age are nowhere to be seen. So I'm just gonna pick up Cha-Cha, and she can bring her friends instead. How about that? On the other hand, I have a ring. And on the other hand, I don't have anything. So, yeah. Always got my ass out. Always let my titty show. When I'm in the gym, I think about bitches that I'm shitting on. I'm way too fucking cocky to take him back if he been cheating. I can land and know you raggedy bitches think that y'all my equal. So let's check our beach bag. So far we have our blankets, we have sunblock. By the way, I should probably put it on right now. My tatas, leave me alone. Not the Brucey. The Brucey. Look at this lip. The glow. Hello. Mwah. Okay. So here we are. We made it out. I am right now parked at the beach. My plans were ruined. Just my plans, not my whole day, because Cha-Cha did not get the chance to come with us to the beach. So I came here by myself, and I'm gonna have I've never done this before, so like put sauce on my Chipotle. Are you ready? 100%.